Today we are going to explain 5 important things how to speak English. At a very initiative, at a very outset, these 5 things always play an important role to speak English. These are the 5 models, and the 5 models are very important to speak. The first one is would like to, which shows our desire, shows our aspiration and wish. As we know that when we get up at morning, our desire started. We like to have a cup of tea. We like to get ready, go to office, college, school, or all day along, desires are there around us. And these desires can be shown by the help of would like to. Since would like to is a model, always we use first form of the verb. Here is the formula for affirmative, negative, and interrogative. And you can easily understand how to use would like to. For showing power and capacity, can is a model which can be used. Since it is a model, always we use first form of the verb. There is a theory of Darwin, the survival of fittest. If you are fit, you can survive. So you have to show your power, you have to show your capacity, you have to show your efficiency all day along in front of the people. That is why this model also play an important role. Third one, everybody is crazy for success. And for success, really, there is a lot of compulsion. And showing compulsion have to is a model which is required to show our compulsion. Lots of invention can be seen around us. How that have been invented because of our compulsion. Our compulsion are everywhere, and lots of compulsions are there in everybody's life, and that can be shown by the help of has to have to. Now, everybody is crazy for success. If you want to get success, you have to take suggestion. Until you take suggestion by your elders, by your seniors, you cannot get success, because they can pave the way for you to get success. And for taking or giving advice or suggestion, one model is required. That model is called should. Now we are coming to the next model, that is used to, which shows our past habit, old habit, or our past memories. We are showing you the models and their indications. Now we are coming to the first model that shows our desire, that is would like to. As we know that would like to is very important in our life, because if you want to show your desire, if you want to show your aspiration, you have to use would like to. We always use first form of the verb. With this, I would like to give you one simple exercise. I would like to share a small story. In the ancient time, people used to sell the material by the help of horses, because at that time automobiles were not there. Then they come down from the horses and they started their own shops, a super bazaar, And then now you can see lots of malls are there. The material is same, quality is same, only the place has been changed. So this is the progress. In the same way, in our custom and tradition, the lots of changes can be seen. Earlier, our parents used to fix our marriage. They did not ask, or they did not inform us. But now the scenario has been changed. Girl's parent go to boy's parents' house, or sometime boy's parents go to girl's parents' house. They talk each other, they entertain each other, and they allow girl and boy to go somewhere and talk. If they are agree, then they go ahead, otherwise no problem. In the same way, before marriage, the boys are called fiance and the girls are called fiancée. My question is, or my topic is, where would you like to go with your fiancé? That is completely based on would like to. You have to give answer, I would like to, then dash dash dash. So my first question is, here you can see the question. Now the first one is, where would you like to go with your fiancé? The answer will be, I would like to go to mall or maybe garden. The second is, in which transportation. The third one is, at what time would you like to go? Then what would you like to put on? What would you like to suggest him, her to put on? What would you like to take? What would you like to talk? Or what would you like to give him or her? So the practice of would like to can be possible by answering these questions. Thank you so much.